So this is a pretty big 48 by 24 tile, and as you can see, I did a rectangle. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to do this safely with a hand grinder. So if you like tiling and you are into do-it-yourself projects, this video is definitely going to help you. Today I'm going to show you how to cut a rectangle for your receptacles. This will work with any porcelain and any ceramic tiles. But we are going to be using handheld 4.5-inch grinder that you can grab for 40-50 bucks off of Amazon. So here is our 4-inch Ryobi. This is not brand new. The blade is pretty old. It's a diamond blade. So here's what we're going to do. Make sure you always wear your eye protection. So we're going to start off by cutting here. So that's the first one. Now you're gonna notice that I'm not really pressing really hard. I'm just kind of letting the blade do its thing and just very gently applying pressure. Now at this point, you do not want to be hitting this too hard because it could still shatter. Now that this is done, now we can go and clean these edges and then cut out these notches here. All right, so let's go try this out. To this.